Would you know what to do in a tornado? Average time from warning to impact is 13 minutes. About 1,200 tornadoes hit the U.S. every year. Texas holds the record for most tornadoes annually with 120 tornadoes. There's an average of 60 deaths per year in the United States. Most injuries and deaths are caused by flying debris. What should you do? Watch the weather. Look out for a dark greenish sky, large hail, and dark low-lying clouds. If you see any of these signs, prepare to take shelter. Listen to the weather stations. Listen to the NOAA weather radio, television news, or social media. If a tornado watch becomes a tornado warning, take immediate shelter. Know where to take shelter before a tornado. Take note of designated shelter areas at your work, school, or everyday surroundings. Have a dedicated area in your home for you, your family, and your pets to go to. Don't be near windows. Dedicated areas should have no outside windows. Best place to be is in a room with interior walls on the lowest floor. Or to get under a table and cover your head and neck. If you find yourself on the road, don't try to outrun a tornado. Don't go under bridges or overpasses. Pull over and go into the closest sturdy building. If you are nowhere near a building, pull over, stay in your car, and cover yourself with your arms or blanket. After a disaster, make sure you are not injured. Make sure your loved ones around you are not injured. If someone is injured, give first aid till help arrives. Have a plan of contacting your loved ones either by text or social media. Watch out for hazards. Stay clear of fallen debris, leaking gasoline, and electrical lines.